I believe by 8 it will be done. Another one, I put document. Instead of text, now it's not text, it is file. Type of the input, title to be document. And that's all. But don't forget, when you want to work with files, you have to add something here in the around the form, which is encoding type, which will be multi-part form data. And that's all for the input. Now we go there inside. Now that we need to do files, documents, you have to go, let's add another attribute on our class for the file. So that we can just come here, blogger, post date, post media, public. The data type of the file, it's a iForm file, like this. Document, get and set. Voila. Someone want to join? After that, this is the data type of the file, but when we want to display, we're not going to display using iForm file, but we're going to display just using by the string. In our database, we're going to save a file name, but we're not going to save a file. We save a file name in database, then we save our file in our folders of our project here on our server. Then you just put the file name in database. When you want to display it, I will show how to do. Then I make another one here, public string document maybe name file, get and set over. After doing that, then what I have to do is to come here on post. Let's see how we can do it now. If I can make a method, let me take all of these and make it in a create a method for that. Create post like this, public create post like this, public create. So we call just by here. Then this is how. First, I need to come and get the file. How do I get the file? I can come here on the blog post like this, same as we usually do. Document is equal to request form like this, but not just form, but we get files like this one. Then after getting the files, here you remember I pass the name of the input, which is this one, document like this. Then we check if there is something read. Hey, it's coming by this. There's autocomplete like this, not equal to null. Or we can just do this, if equal to null, put message document is empty, then we return. So as you can see, if this is null, to return document is empty and it will not continue, because return means like stopping. It will not progress to create post. So that means I'm going to write my remaining logic here. Then I can declare a variable. Let's say, remember, sometime you might have files in the same name in your machine. So when you upload, like your picture is named like holiday.png, you upload it, you submit. When you save on your server, it will be saved. But when you come again, you upload with holiday.png, it will be same names. So you understand, it may say like you duplicate, it will cause some troubles, as you understand, or maybe even replace the one which was there. So the best thing is always to make a unique file name. For example, like by starting by the file name, your file name, which was the file name, then add some random numbers, you understand. But we cannot always be able to write those random numbers. We have to create them automatically. I think you know, when you go on internet, you download one image, you see some random word you don't know. Those words, they are not created by human, they are generated automatically. So let's do this. Generate unique file name, and then after that we are going to get a path. Get path, set path to upload, set path to upload to. After setting the path, we are going to assign file to the path like this. Then we're going to upload file to the path. Path means like folder, you understand, document, blah blah blah, to the folder, maybe folder like that, this one. I prefer to generate a unique name in separate method, because it's some code, it's not just few codes to write. Let me make a separated method. Okay, make it private string get unique file name. So you understand that we pass a parameter of file name, which I get from my private create path. Okay, then file name, it will be this one. File name equal to now I need to get the path dot get file name, like this one. I pass the file name. Ensuite, I return just the formatting of the thing. Return path get file name. Bon, let me show you okay, I'll be explaining. First, we get the file name without the extension. If it is holiday.png, we are only going to get holiday. So how do we get here? It's get file name without extension. This one, file, which is this one. Then after getting the file name without extension, we're going to concatenate something, generate. But let me add something like an underscore, like this one, underscore, concatenate again. Then how do we generate the random numbers? Then there is something called What is the name? Let's see. UID C#. Yeah, like this one. Global unique identifier. It's like UID in Java, but for C#, it will be some numbers like this one. I think you know this in Java using GUI. It's written here. Method you can call to get a new UID. The method create a version for universal unique identifier. This one. Now I come here, I write GUID. This one. Dot. I generate a new one. As you can see, it's auto completing UID to string. I put to string, but you see it's a very long numbers. Maybe you can take only this, the first, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just take 4 maybe to string. How can I get a limit of numbers from this one? We can use a method called substring, like this one. I start from 0, you understand, from this one, like 7 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 6, 4, maybe 5. Yes. After that, we need to do, we are not done yet, we do plus the extension. We need to put back the extension. Path get extension. As you can see, it's almost everything is there already. Get the extension. So this is how we're going to generate this. It will be cutting the file, the file by getting only the name without the extension, underscore, like this one, just for separation. Then after we add a generated random numbers, random characters, then we add back the extension. Then by doing that, I will come here, I write like this, sorry, var unique file name, like this one, get, where is the file blog post document, which is this one, and then and this one. But not just that, you have to get the file name. Then I told you here, set path to upload to, is it to or to this one, var path to upload. I don't know if I'm making meaningful variable name. Then same path get, not get, but it will be, sorry, there is something we forgot. We need to make an environment. Remember when I was doing the introduction, I told you here in www it's where you're going to put your document. There's your static files. You can even put your documents you'll be uploading. They'll be in www. It's why it's easier to locate them when you want to access them. So remember this one. But in www, let's create a folder, add new folder which will hold our document. Let me call it Monday docs, Monday underscore docs, like this one. Yes, set path to upload to. Then I come sorry, path to upload to path to upload. Then sorry a bit, I'm coming back. And is you now path to upload to, it is same as the other things. So I write path, then it will be, I want to combine two strings into a path. I want to, as you can see, the script, yeah, it's not recording. Yeah, it's recording. It's recording. Path. I was telling you I want then, if you have the file name, this file name, I want to combine it with my path. It will be like my Monday document slash file name and the other remaining things. So which I'm going to do like this. And I need to get that path in a way it's written usually. It's like C, I don't know, something like this, document and so on, like this. So how can I get a path in this way? I need to use one thing called environment, like to get the be able to access like a root file is in your computer. I have to use the something called environment. So I combine this one, like this one. I reduce, I recombine the, I don't have configuration yet. So I need to declare that. I come here, configuration, private, can make it read only, but I environment, I host, I believe this one. Then I come here, public class, I host environment, like this one. I host environment, here I pass. This is a, how do we call this again? It's like I forgot. Environment equal to there's something wrong here. Let me check why. I host environment, resume, and the folder we created, if you are here, we see I forgot to do resume. You see the progress. Then it's this folder, Monday docs, Monday, okay, like this one. Then after that we get a file path, variable file path. I do the same, combine, I recombine the path to upload, comma, and the file name, and voila. So you see here I will get the entire root path from the C slash to the entire folder which is here. Then after that I will get the entire path. I combine it with my file name. So this will come here. Instead this to be this one. Like this. No, this. Okay. Voila. I have my file path. What's next is to take my document, then copy it. So this was supposed to go here. Upload file folder. I will take my document, I copy that to the path like this one. Dot see copy to like this. I make a new you see file, make a stream, file stream. I take that file path. Oh, I close. There is a problem. Do I close here? Close. Comma. Then it will be the file mode, which is create. And this one. I hope with this it will be done. Voila. Then you can wonder then after saving them to the folder, after saving in this folder, how is it going to go in my database? So I told you are going only to get the file name. So I can take this file name, I pass it to my method, even if I didn't do string file name. Then I come parameters, I add more file name blog post document file. If it was document file, which one is the one which is a string? Yes, document file, title, body, comma, file name like this. File name. Yeah. Yes. Then what's remaining is to go in add more tab column. File name. What is the name? Post document. Name it document and varchar. Let's make it to 200. Post around here. Let's change to document file. Then I save. Save document file. And voila. Let's run and see. I hope it's fine. Now in post, it's the file is nar. Document file is nar. For the one which was already there, maybe let's delete them. Select all. Delete. Yes. Voilà. Okay. I run. Oof, I hope this will go fine. And I told you at 8 we'll be done. I just we display, then we go for Easter holiday. There's something. Did you see something? This means when something is not highlighted, that means like a variable is not being used or something. As you can see here, this is not being used, and they're saying remove unused parameter if it is not part of Sheet Fabric. So me here I forgot to add. It's not. It's like this. Yes, file name. I run again. Create blog. Now, holiday dinner. Yes, this document. I take need exam assignment pictures. Let's get an assignment. Let's get an image from Google Pixels. Dinner. Like this one. Télécharger. As you can see, it's here. I change the name to holiday. I come back, I select holiday. Where is holiday? I post blog created. Let's see. Voila. You see it's holiday underscore 48250 or something. And when I go here in my Solution Explorer, then and I expand, as you can see, the file is there. So now how can I display them on my page? So I have them here. How can I display them on my page, or even view if it is a PDF? Let's upload something like a PDF. Let's get a book somewhere, then upload it as a PDF drive. Get a book. Yes. I don't know if it's opening. Or it's I don't know. Poem book PDF. The golden book. This is biggest. Poems on love and life. Poems. I download this one. Okay. Now I can come here. Okay, yeah, I can upload that one too. Create few blogs. Create blog. Poems on love. Poem on what? And life. You have have to run, and then I come document, I get my poems on love and life, open, post, voila. You see, it's here. So where is, now let's do the display event of, you see there's poems on love and life underscore 2. So as I told you, I can upload that even second time, and it will go second time, second. Let me add it twice. Still it's gonna go because different are different, the names are different on the in the folders. Check. You see? Now let's display them. But I will start by displaying, let's go and display blogs, pages, display blogs. How did I select post ID, post, and the document file, yes, document file, yes. Blog title, blog post, document file. Is it document file? Yes, document file. Voilà. Document file, blog post. Now I want to display that image of the dinner holiday, but let me first remove these. Let me do this. Let me show you something. I want to make an image somewhere around here. Card body, card, let's see, bootstrap, card. I want this card image. So card image. I want to make a source here, which will be at blog dot document file. No, that's just a file. So I need to start by this tiered, I don't know the name of this sign, document Monday docs, like this one. Then I add this. Is it like this? Yes, maybe. Now in art, alternative is that's name which come when the image document is not found, and also help in CEO search engine optimization. Maybe you can add the title here in art like this. Then we run, but for some it's PDF and others it's an image. Let's see. View blogs. Yes, the image is coming, but it's too big. So as you can see, because others are PDF, they are not displaying. This image is too big. Let's reduce width 50%. Does this exist? No. Don't know. Style width 50%. Bon, it doesn't matter. Bon, maybe you will do the stylings by your own. The important is you see that you are able to display. Now there is something like as you can see, we also have those PDF. How can we do to view them? We can do like this. Let me add another. Sorry. Let me add something like a link. Maybe in your project you want to add PDF document. So I can do this, the source blog, this one, no, this one, like this, view bar. As you can see, when I click view, it will get me to the file. Voila. So maybe if you have any question, you can ask. So during your project, you can ask to, I don't know, for now, for your project, what you will need is, I don't know if there's some other complicated thing. There is this file sharing and so on. And let me stop. This is done recording.